Imagine this. You save a photo in Drive and it posts on Instagram by itself. You add a bill reminder in calendar and a message goes on WhatsApp automatically. Someone fills your business form and it saves in Sheet and summarizes it for you right away. No repeat work, no coding, no stress. This is automation and the tool is Zapier. Hi friends, welcome to JKC Tutorials. Today we learn automation with Zapier in a very simple way. Whether you love tech or you don't, this will help you save time every day. We all do the same tasks every day, sending messages, saving files, checking reminders. What if you could set it up once and let it run on its own? That's exactly what Zapier does. And here's the surprising part. Zapier works with over 8,000 apps. Yes, 8,000. That's massive. So pretty much any app you already use, you can connect and work together. Before we dive into the demo, let's quickly understand the basics of Zapier. A Zap is an automation, basically a workflow you create that connects apps together. Every Zap has a trigger, something that happens in one app that will start your automation. For example, a new photo saved in Drive. Then there's an action, what you want to happen in another app. For example, posting that photo to Instagram. Go to Start from Scratch and click on Zap. Here you will get three options: Copilot, Trigger and Action. For now, we'll select the trigger, which in our case is the Google Drive. In the event, it will be new file in the folder. Select your account. In Drive, select My Google Drive. And folder, choose the folder in which you have the photo which you want to publish on Instagram. We will be publishing this photo. Select Continue. You can test your trigger. This will fetch the file in your folder. Next, we select on event as Instagram for Business. Here it will be Publish Photo. Verify your account. Select your Instagram account. And in media, we will have the Google Drive folder file which we had selected. We've also added caption as testing Zapier. Select Continue and click on Test Step. Now this will publish the photo on your Instagram page. Let's verify it on Instagram. Yes, the image has been published, and as you can see, it's published only a few seconds back and with the caption that we had selected. We'll now publish the Zap. So anytime you have a new file in the folder, it will be automatically published to Instagram. Create a new Zap. Select trigger as Google Calendar. Trigger event will be event start. Choose your Google account. Continue. We will select our personal calendar from this list, and 1 minute before the event start, this trigger will be activated. Let's test the trigger. This will go and fetch the events in your calendar. So we have one event created, which is a monthly EMI reminder, and it has fetched that from our Google Calendar details. Let's confirm it in Google Calendar as well. This is the event that it has picked up. Continue. Select WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp notifications. Choose your event and log into your WhatsApp account. It's a premium feature, as you can see, so we'll be using Slack here for this demo. Event will be channel message. Link to your Slack account. Continue. Select your channel from the list where you want the message to be posted. The message text we'll fetch from the Google Calendar list, which will be the summary and the start date pretty. Keep rest as is. Continue and test step. Now this will publish a message to your Slack channel. Let's verify it on Slack, and we've got a message from Zapier, pay EMI and the date. Click on publish. So monthly, this will send a message to your Slack channel as a reminder to pay the EMIs. Let's create a news app. In trigger, select Google Form. In the trigger event, select new or updated form responses. Link your Google account. Continue. Choose the form that you want to select. We'll select the event feedback form. Select your trigger question. So from this form, we are going to select the feedback of the event as a trigger question. Continue. Let's test the trigger now. So it has got all the form responses that we have received. We'll select the topmost response only. Then next, let's first check the event feedback form. So we have a lot of questions and we are focusing on this any overall feedback for the event question. Let's go back to Zapier. Now let's select Google Sheets. We will save all these events to these Google Sheets. Your action event will be create a spreadsheet row, link your Google account, select My Google Drive, select the spreadsheet when you want to store. So we've created a spreadsheet named Form Feedback and it has one column named Feedback. Select your worksheet, which is default sheet 1, and in feedback column we will have the values from the feedback row from the Google Forms. So we've got very good, excellent teamwork as the feedback, and this should be stored in the Google Sheet. Let's see, and we've got that in the row. Very good, excellent teamwork. Next, now we will summarize this content. So go to AI and select summarize. In the input field, we'll give the feedback as the input. So select Google Sheet from the list and select the feedback row. Save, and we are keeping the prompt as default only. Let's generate the preview. As you can see, we've now got a summarized content of a feedback. Finish it and delete any additional actions that are present in your Zap. And publish the Zap. You can also add simple rules to your Zaps. For example, only run the Zap if the email subject has the word invoice. This way, automation happens only when you want it to. Zapier has a free plan perfect for home users or small businesses. You can start automating without spending anything. Automation isn't just for big companies or tech experts. It's for everyone. Students, freelancers, home users, small business owners. If you can use an app, you can create a Zap. Now it's your turn. Try creating a Zap and see how much time you save. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe.